I'm in my 1995 e38 740IL. This is a 95 model. I just finished retrofitting the SES Voice Control module. On the new steering wheel here, it allows me to access that by pushing and holding the phone button. And you can see on the cluster here, Voice Recognition. Scale 400. Give it 1 second here. Try that again. Scale 400 feet. So it just brought me into 125 yards. My nav is set in Great Britain mode, so I have yards instead of feet, but it pretty much recognizes the same controls. Scale 1 mile. It just brought me out to 1 mile. Scale 500 miles. There's 500 miles. So I have my laptop here. I downloaded the PDF of the SES control commands. So I'm just kind of learning the commands now. This is the first time I've had it in the car, first time I've actually used it. Looks like it could even do volume up, volume down. So let me try that. Volume up. Volume up. Oh, that was pretty cool. Volume up. Nice. Volume down. Volume down. Oh, that is so cool. Volume up. Volume up. Alright, so that does 50%, 100% volume. If I keep looking on here, it has commands for telephone, which obviously is outdated. This thing, it works, but because the analog service was cut off, it doesn't work. So I'll just leave it off. And let's see what other commands we have here. We could have a notepad, GPS navigation, voice control. We could record note. Let's try that. Record note.
Sorry.
Record note.
Recording.
This is a test of the notepad recording system in a BMW E38. Just want to see if it works.
End of note.
Playback note.
Waiting.
That's not even mine.
Please turn on the phone.
Alright, well, I'll just turn on the phone for its request. Playback note.
Waiting.
This must be someone else's note.
End of phone book.
I guess it did phone book. Let's see. How do we play back notes? There. Play note.
Waiting.
Not what I want.
Office.
End of phone book.
Clear notepad.
Would you like to clear the notepad?
Yes.
The notepad has been cleared.
Let's see what other cool stuff we have here. Read phone book. Yeah, try that one. Read phone book.
Waiting.
and off phone book.
Clear phone book.
Would you like to clear the phone book?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
The phone book has been cleared.
Nice. What other cool stuff do we have here? We can dial by name. Just deleted everything that was in there, so that's not going to work. Clear phone book, store name, phone number. I need to find the navigation one for all the point of interest, how to activate them. But I'll have to keep going through the voice control owner's manual and see what other cool stuff we have in here. Let me just bring me back down. Scale 400 feet. And that just brought me back down to 400 feet. Cancel destination. I don't know if that's the right control. It might be. Nice. I don't even know where that is. Route map. Destination input. Brought me to the gas station list. I don't know why, but hey, nice. Brings me to the closest gas stations, which I could use because it says I only have 52 miles remaining. Well, I am parked downhill, so that might have something to do with it. But yeah, I'm going to keep playing with my new toy, and hope you guys enjoyed my little retrofit demonstration.